Good morning, students. Now we were going for the chapter 15 agriculture first. Here, according to your syllabus, we were going for the importance, problems, and reforms of the agriculture. Now, the word agriculture has been derived from the two Latin words ager meaning land and culture meaning cultivation. Agriculture is thus defined as the soil in order to grow crops, rear livestock. It means the essential purpose of agriculture is the production of food from land for human or animal consumption. Now, some importance of the agriculture. Here, according to the importance of the agriculture, it provides food for our expanding population and fodder for our livestock. It generates working capital for non-agricultural development, supplies raw material for agro-based industries like textile, sugar, food processing, vanaspati. It provides large part of the market for industrial goods, especially the farm inputs like pesticides, fertilizers, implement, machinery. Account of a substantial portion of Indian export. It provides employment to millions of the people of India. Now, basically, there are the some important problems of India. These there are the factors can be categorized into four groups. Here, environmental, economic, institutional, and technological factors are there. Now we were going to discuss environmental factor. Environmental factor here first, unreliable rainfall. Indian agriculture is dependent to a large extent on the monsoon, which are uncertain, irregular, unequally. It means the monsoon of the rainfall of India is undistributed over all the part of India. Nearly 55% of the net shown area continues to depend on the rainfall rather than irrigation. That is why when rain fail, agriculture production is badly affected, resulting in scarcity of food grains. Second, lack of irrigation facilities. Peoples are very poor, so they are dependable on the monsoon rainfall. The failure of monsoon is the failure of agriculture. Further, the government has provided the some of the free of cost free power supply to a section of farmers, encourage them to pump groundwater to grow water intensive crops in low areas like Punjab and some Maharashtra and other parts of India. Now, third, soil erosion. Basically, soil is not only a major cause for decreasing soil fertility but result a loss of valuable crops land like indiscriminate cutting of trees, overgrazing, fault land use practice have largely accelerated the process of land erosion and soil degradation. Loss of soil fertility is responsible for the low crop yield or low production. Method of cultivation. Though a number of crops are grown in India, their average productivity as compared to the developed countries is quite low. It means in India, developing country production is low because old machines are using now. The farmers dependable on the old technology. The farmers they are doing the practice with the oxes here plowing their farms. Now there is modern equipment. So lack of modern equipment because of paucity of funds and lack of latest know-how and input. Fault cultivation of crops. In India, agriculture is practiced by repetitive cultivation of main two crops only, rice and wheat. So the crop rotation is not regular. That is why it also reduces the soil fertility. Reduction in net sown area. In the recent decades, thus, there has been gradual shift of cultivation of food crops to the cultivation of fruit, vegetables, oilseed, and industrial crops. This has resulted the reduction of net sown area under the cereals and pulses. Further, the here competition for a land between agriculture and non-agriculture uses such as housing has resulted its decline in net shown area. This has led to decline in food production. Institutional factor. because a small and fragmented landholding measure of landholding in India are very small. These small and fragmented holding cannot promote modern agriculture. They do not generate enough income to buy new agricultural inputs or make heavy investment. Therefore, no scientific cultivation improve techniques and some seeds can take place. A small size holding also left waste of time, labor and distribution of irrigation facilities. Exploitation of farmers. Now here land tenure system is another important reason for low productivity in India. Under the Zamindari system, the cultivator was only a tenant who could be turned out of land. Even though Zamindari system has been abolished, but its effect not has been completely wiped out. There is a section landowners who act as absentee of landlords get their cultivation done through tenants and sharecroppers. Besides tenants, a large number of landless labor also exist. So they are paid penalties. They are paid the palliatory sum of wages have to work abounded labors. Thus, neither owners nor tenants have used the race production. That's why low production is there. Now, economic factor, subsistence agriculture. This type of farming is mainly practiced in India. This is because the per capita cultivation of land is more. Here, 1/4 hectare and farm produce are just enough to sustain the farmer. Human elements. Farmers are poor, debt ridden, uneducated, so they do not follow the modern techniques of farming nor can produce here purchase modern equipment. Okay, so that is also the reason they are not producing the modern equipment.